The Suichuan Flyway for migrant birds is one of the 8 main flyways in the world. When the autumn and spring come, millions of migrant birds from Siberia, the Mongolia grassland, and the northern part of China fly over through here every year. To make the full use of the Suichuan Flyway for migrant birds and help it function and perform effectively, the State Ministry of Forests set up a bird banding station in Yingpanzhu Town, Suichuan County. Since then, there are more than 30,000 individuals of 210 migrant species have been banded, including Pitta nympha, Lythrix lutea, Centropus bengalensis, Elatura formosa, and so on.